In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up practice areas in Clio Manage. Practice areas are a simple but powerful way to keep your firm's work organized. By defining them, you make it easier to categorize matters consistently, filter lists, and run clearer reports. They also help your whole team speak the same language when creating new files. You'll need the right permissions to adjust firm-wide settings, so if you don't see the options I mentioned, check with your firm administrator. First, open Settings from the left sidebar. This takes you into the central hub where firm-level configuration lives. Think of it as the control panel for features that affect everyone on your team. Next, under the Clio Settings section, click Firm Preferences. This area holds your global defaults and standards, and it's where you'll manage the labels that appear across the app for all users. Now locate the Practice Area section. It may be a short scroll away, but it's clearly labeled. This is where you'll create the list your team will use to tag matters by their area of law. Click Add Practice Area. You're creating a single category here, and you can repeat this process as many times as needed to build out your firm's list. Type the name of the practice area. Keep it clear and consistent so your team can find it quickly. For example, you might enter family law, criminal law, corporate law, real estate law, or estate planning. If your firm works in specialized niches, choose names that match how your team and clients describe the work. Use consistent capitalization, avoid abbreviations that could confuse others, and try to keep names brief so they display cleanly in filters and reports. When you're happy with the name, click Save to create the practice area. Your new entry is added instantly and becomes available when creating or editing matters. From now on, your team can select it from the practice area field, which helps standardize data entry and improves search and reporting accuracy. If you're building out a full list, repeat the same quick steps. Add practice area, name it, and save until you've covered the types of work your firm handles. As a best practice, review your list with your team to confirm that the names make sense. There aren't duplicates, and everything aligns with how you bill and report. That's all there is to it. You've set up practice areas in Clio Manage and laid the groundwork for cleaner organization and better insights across your firm. Thanks for watching.